Ever checked your bank account at the end of the month and thought, yeah, nah, that's not quite enough? Well, here's the thing. In Australia right now, thousands of retirees are quietly earning $30, $50, even $100 an hour doing simple part-time work. And no, I'm not talking about grinding 9 to 5 again. I'm talking about flexible, low-stress jobs you can do a few hours a week and still enjoy your life. So if you're retired, semi-retired, or just want a bit of extra cash without the headache, this video is for you. G'day, I'm Luke, and welcome to Luke Invest Australia. On this channel, we break down smart ways Aussies can earn, save, and build a better financial future. If you enjoy practical money tips like this, make sure you follow our Facebook page as well. Links in the description. All right, let's get into it. First up, and honestly one of the best options right now, aged care or support work. Now before you think, nah, that's not for me, hear me out. This isn't just about medical stuff. A lot of roles are simply helping with shopping, having a chat, driving someone to appointments, and here's the kicker. You can earn $33 to $40 plus an hour. Massive demand across Australia. Employers are literally struggling to find workers. And the best part? You can choose part-time shifts that suit your lifestyle. If you're patient, kind, and enjoy helping people, this one's a winner. Next up, this is where the real money is. Consulting or freelancing based on your past experience. You've spent years building skills, right? Why not get paid for it? Whether you were in accounting, construction, teaching, business, IT, there are people out there willing to pay $50 to $200 per hour for your knowledge. And the best part? You can do it from home, in your own time, even in your slippers. This is easily the highest paying option on this list. All right, number 3. Tutoring. Now this one's super underrated. Parents in Australia are spending big money to help their kids pass exams, improve English, boost math skills. You can earn anywhere from $25 to $80 an hour, and you don't need to be a school teacher. If you're good at explaining things clearly and have patience, you're already qualified. Plus, you can do it online via Zoom or from home, nice and easy. Next, something flexible and simple, driving jobs. Think Uber, delivery driving, local courier work. You pick your hours, work when you feel like it. Morning, evening, weekends, totally up to you. Earnings usually sit around $25 to $45 an hour, depending on demand. Perfect if you like being out and about instead of sitting at home. Number 5, retail or supermarket work. Now I know, doesn't sound exciting, but here's the trick. Work nights or weekends and you can earn penalty rates up to $35 to $40 an hour. Jobs are simple, stacking shelves, helping customers, basic store work. No stress, no big responsibility. Just clock in, do your job and head home. Alright, this one's for the animal lovers. Pet sitting or house sitting. You're literally getting paid to look after someone's dog, stay in their house, water plants. That's it. Some jobs pay $20 to $50 per hour, or even more for overnight stays. It's relaxed, flexible, and honestly doesn't feel like work. Perfect if you want something chill. Last one, online jobs. If you prefer staying at home, this is for you. Options include data entry, freelance writing, virtual assistant work, simple online tasks. Pay ranges from $20 to $60 an hour. Not the highest, but super convenient. No travel, no stress. All right, let's quickly break it down. If you want best pay overall, go for consulting. Easy to start, aged care or retail, flexible lifestyle, driving or pet sitting, work from home, online jobs or tutoring. The key is simple. You don't need to fully retire and sit idle. Even a few hours a week can bring in hundreds of dollars extra. At the end of the day, it's not just about money. It's about staying active, meeting people, and enjoying life while still earning on your own terms. If you found this helpful, give it a like and don't forget to follow our Facebook page. Link is in the description. And if you want more Aussie-focused money tips, make sure you subscribe to Luke Invest Australia. I'm Luke, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.